There's concern that investment in renewable energies in WA is being stifled by continuing uncertainty about the federal government's climate change policy. Australia has set a target of using 20% renewable energy within a decade, but companies developing those technologies are having to look offshore for investors.
It's technology that its developers say delivers clean, green power from the ocean floor. WA-based Carnegie Wave Energy wants to bring power generated by ocean waves first to the state and then to the world. But to do so, it's having to bring the investment dollars into Western Australia.
If we went out and raising capital today, we would be focusing almost exclusively on US and European investors for that capital.
But Dr Ottaviano says it's a policy problem. The federal government's on-again, off-again emissions trading scheme and its refusal to place a price on carbon pollution has left Australian investors, particularly institutions, in the dark.
The change in policy there has just sent more uncertainty into the investment community.
Federal legislation passed just weeks ago requiring 20% of energy supplies to come from renewable sources by 2020 should have given the sector a boost. Analyst Andrew Peterson says it was a positive step, but there's still uncertainty.
Investors, either onshore or offshore, are unclear as to whether or not Australia is actually a good investment source.
Power generators like WA's Verve Energy are caught between the push for cleaner energy and the need for reliable and cheap electricity. It's looking at expanding its wind farms but says it needs to upgrade its coal-fired power station at Muja. Its managing director says renewables alone are not yet the solution.
Well, to meet the baseload requirement, we really need our Muja AB extension.
But the Conservation Council says it's a bad choice.
Which are going to lock out new energy investment in renewable and clean energy alternatives.
The state government is expected to release its strategic plan for WA's long-term energy supplies by the end of the year. Andrew O'Connor, ABC News.